What are we cooking today?
A green bean!
Let's get started with some super delicious 干煸四季豆. My little helpers Ellie and Emma are going to help me prep some ingredients today. These green beans are mostly snipped. If not, my little helpers are going to do the rest.
I did it!
Let's also smash some garlic. In a pot over medium-high heat, pour in the peanut oil. And heat the oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer in the green beans and cook until slightly wrinkled for about 4 minutes. Traditionally, Chinese fry the green beans until dehydrate. As another alternative, you could also coat the green beans with cooking oil and roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Remove and drain. Over low heat. Red Sichuan peppercorns. Green Sichuan peppercorns. Stir fry until aromatic 1 minute. Remove the Sichuan peppercorns and reserve the oil. In a wok over high heat, add the pork and stir fry until completely cooked. And we're going to place in the 碎米芽菜. You can find this in most Chinese supermarkets. Dry red chili peppers and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. We're also going to add in the Pixian broad bean paste and stir fry for another minute. Return the green beans and season with soy sauce. Stir fry all together. Slightly numbling, slightly spicy, very savory. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well, and if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye!